In this video, we listed the 5 best docking station on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MOKiN 15-in-1 Docking Station. The MOKiN 14-in-1 USB-C docking station is a versatile and high-quality solution for maximizing connectivity and efficiency in your work. With a range of ports including HDMI, DP, USB 3.0, 3.1, SD, TF, RJ45, and audio, as well as power delivery, this docking station is compatible with various devices including MacBook Air Pro, iPad M1, M2, Thunderbolt laptop, and Android phone. It offers high-resolution output, supporting 8K at 30Hz, 12-bit for crystal-clear presentations and visual experiences. The multifunctional integrated design and robust R&D team make MOKiN a leader in the USB hub industry, backed by top-tier service quality and dedicated after-sales support. Number 2. PHIXERO Docking Station. The 10-in-1 docking station with M.2 SSD enclosure is a versatile storage and expansion solution, offering a range of interfaces to meet various expansion needs. It supports a maximum 4 TB SSD capacity with data transfer at 10 gigabits per second. The docking station features innovative tool-free magnetic mounting for easy installation and efficient heat dissipation with its aluminum alloy, ABS, and copper tube heatsink construction. With a range of interfaces including USB, HDMI, Ethernet, and card reader slots, this docking station allows for seamless connectivity and expansion without the need for drivers. It also supports 4K at 60Hz resolution, 100W power delivery, and compatibility with different M.2 hard drives. Number 3. MOKiN 15-in-1 USB-C Docking Station. The MOKiN MODK1402 is a versatile connectivity hub designed for users seeking to enhance their device's capability through multiple ports. It features 15 ports, including HDMI, card reader, and RJ45, and operates on the USB 3.1 standard with a USB Type-C interface, enabling fast data transfer and a wide range of functionalities. This model also complies with essential safety and environmental certifications, including CE, FCC, and RoHS. The product comes in a packaged format and is manufactured in mainland China, ensuring reliable performance and compatibility for modern digital devices. Number 4. Essager Docking Station. The Essager box is a versatile accessory designed for various compatible brands, including Apple, Huawei, Xiaomi, Lenovo, Dell, and HP. Originating from mainland China, this device is certified with CE, RoHS, and FCC standards, ensuring safety and reliability. It supports HDMI output at 4K resolution up to 60 Hz, provides a fast USB-C charger with a power output of 100W, and features a high-speed RJ45 port capable of 1000 megabits per second. Additionally, the box includes SD and TF card slots, supporting up to 32 GB for enhanced storage options, along with a 3.5mm audio stereo output for versatile audio capabilities. Its sleek grey design adds a modern touch to any setup, making it a practical solution for users seeking connectivity and charging in one compact device. Number 5. MOKiN 16 Ports Docking Station. The MOKiN 16-in-1 USB-C hub docking station is a multifunctional integrated design that offers unmatched connectivity for MacBook Air Pro, iPad M1, M2, Thunderbolt laptop, and Android phone. With 16 ports including HDMI, VGA, RJ45, SD, TF, PD, and M.2 SSD port, it supports high-resolution output of 4K at 60Hz, 10-bit for crystal-clear presentations and enhanced visual experiences. The docking station is optimized for MacBook Pro Air and is designed to make work more efficient, with a focus on productivity and seamless connectivity. It also features a dedicated support team available 24/7 to address any issues and inquiries, ensuring top-tier service quality.